Hello everyone. In this video we would be introducing to you our brand new product, the Oxy CPAP P12. It is a breathing aid device that helps COVID-19 patients with advanced breathing difficulties. This device is a possible alternative to the ventilator in all but the extreme cases, thus reducing the load on ventilators and hospital staff during these challenging times. In line with the Atmanirbhar Bharat package, the device is manufactured locally in India under the open license by the University College London and Mercedes HPP. So let's take a look at the new CPAP P12 and its assembly. The secure Oxy CPAP P12 box contains a user manual. This is the CPAP P12 device. It is completely mechanical device. It contains no moving parts, has no embedded electronics and does not need a power supply. This valve is used to set the desired continuous positive pressure to keep the airways open. And another valve controls the delivered oxygen mix. The device comes along with the holder so that it can be conveniently mounted near the patient. It is very easy to push fit in place. The device needs to be connected with the patient circuit assembly, which comes packed in a separate box inside the kit. This box contains all the parts required to form the complete patient circuit. All the parts are packed in separate covers and are labeled properly, so that they can be easily identified. This is the harness that holds the mask, which completely covers the patient's nose and mouth. This is the smoothbore tube with soft end connectors. It is around 1.8 meters long with a 22 mm diameter. Two PEEP valves of 20 cm H2O and 10 cm H2O are part of the assembling kit. These valves can control pressure up to 20 millibars during patient intake. The twin masks help patients in breathing easily, and it covers both the nose and the mouth. This is a medium-sized mask which is appropriate for most adults. The kit contains two T-piece connectors. Each has a diameter of 22 millimeters. One straight connector and one scavenging connector is also provided. One can refer to the labeling on the packets in case of any doubts. One safety cap is also provided with the kit to cover the T connector when oxygen analyzer is not connected to the circuitry. The kit also has two FlowGuard breathing filters. It is recommended that these filters are changed at least once in 24 hours for the COVID-19 patients. The kit comprises of 10 breathing filters so that the hospitals can change filters as per recommendations. To monitor and check the concentration of oxygen analyzer needs to be connected with the patient circuit. The oxygen analyzer box contains an operating manual that explains its functionality. It is recommended that the oxygen analyzer is calibrated at least once in 24 hours in open air using 21% calibration mode. So this is the complete set of the CPAP P12 device, the patient circuit assembly and the oxygen analyzer. Now we assemble the Oxy CPAP P12 completely. Take the Oxy CPAP P12 device. Remove the red colored end caps from the oxygen output port for patient circuit and the input port for the oxygen input. Insert the T-piece connector at the oxygen output port for patient circuit and put the red color safety cap over the other open T end. Connect one flow guard breathing filter at the other open end of the T-piece connector. Now add the remaining T-piece connector to the open end of the flow guard breathing filter. The T connector can be connected from any side of the vertical ports. At one of the open ends of the T-piece, fix a straight connector. To the other side of the straight connector, fix the PEEP valve of 20 cm H2O. Join the smoothbore pipe to the remaining open end of the T-piece connector. We recommend connecting the flexible part to the T connector. The other end of the flexible pipe is to be connected to the small port of the mask. Take the 10 cm H2O PEEP valve, remove its joint, and directly fix this PEEP valve into the mask. The other end of this PEEP valve is to be connected to the scavenging connector and then connect it with the flow guard breathing filter. Now take the harness and join it to the mask. Adjustments can be made as per the size requirements. So this is the complete assembling of the patient circuit with the Oxy CPAP P12 device. Remember that the 10 cm H2O PEEP valve should be connected to the patient's mask. The breathing filter must be changed at least once in 24 hours. When the CPAP P12 device is in use for COVID-19 patient, the oxygen concentration needs to be set and checked. To do so, a clinical assistant needs to remove the red safety cap placed on the first T-piece connector in the patient circuit assembly. After inserting the sensor of the oxygen analyzer in this open port, the desired concentration of oxygen can be set and monitored. With help of the control valves on the CPAP P12 device, one can set the required air-oxygen mix. Once the required oxygen concentration levels are set, the oxygen analyzer can be removed. Remember to put the red safety cap back on the T connector. Once used for a COVID-19 patient, the CPAP P12 device can be reused for another patient, but only after proper sanitization of the device. We recommend gas sanitization. However, the patient circuit assembly shall not be reused and must be disposed properly.